The second trading journey from $10 to $10,000. On day 6, I completed this second challenge within 10 straight hours of continuous trading. Hello everyone, we meet again today. As promised, I'll post videos more consistently and be less lazy so I can help you improve your trading skills. Because who knows, maybe a few months from now I might decide to retire and disappear. So tell me, do you want me to continue making these tutorial videos or not? How have these videos helped you? Leave a comment so I know whether I should keep going or disappear and enjoy trading freely in my own way, without worrying about the criticism of jealous haters. Right now, Vietnam time, it's 6:15 in the morning, February 20th. Today I'm recording earlier than usual. Turned on the coffee machine, sat down with a cup of coffee and admired the smooth curves of Little Gold. She's still glowing as always. While analyzing the chart, I noticed price is moving inside a channel between two parallel trend lines. This shows that price respects these trend lines if we know how to identify and draw them correctly. We have a very straightforward buy setup. When price touched the trend line and bounced strongly, combined with a candle close above the previous wicks, I entered a buy immediately. Stop loss was placed just below the candle body, and the take profit target was set at 2R, aligned with the upper trend line. If the next candle had been a bullish green candle, I could have added another buy position, but the market didn't allow it. I originally didn't plan to take this sell because price was too close to the support zone below. But since price dropped from the upper trend line to the lower trend line in just one candle, it made me reconsider. It had just retested and also formed an engulfing pattern, so I estimated it could reach a 2R target. But if there were any signs of a bounce, I would close the trade immediately. If price touches support and bounces but the bearish momentum is still strong, then the condition to hold the trade is that price must close inside the support zone. After the engulfing pattern appeared, I felt I should enter a buy. In this case, I didn't place a fixed take profit. I waited for price to react around the lower trend line and planned to take profit when price reached the upper trend line, with stop loss below the wick of the bearish candle. Next, price broke the lower trend line and consolidated for a while. However, when price failed the retest because of a strong bullish candle, I decided to enter a buy at that point. Even though a 2R take profit looked difficult, slow bullish momentum could still push it there, so I kept monitoring. This is also when I raised the question for the companions group. What is the market psychology here? Why does every break below the lower trend line result in a failed retest? Try analyzing the psychology of buyers and sellers in this price zone. So what's special about the companions group and why should you join? First, I give exercises in each video for you to complete, helping you understand the concepts more deeply. Then I reveal the answers like this, so you can check how much you've improved. Second, the Companions group is for those who truly care and want to learn my trading method. Inside the group, you'll learn more specific and practical knowledge because you can ask me directly. Is your trend line drawn correctly? Is your support and resistance zone accurate? I will respond and guide you more closely than what you can get from watching videos. So if you're still losing and need to improve your trading, you should join the group. I won't promise to make you a lot of money, but I can help you stop losing so much. Here's a piece of knowledge I've repeated many times. When price pumps hard, touches a trend line or resistance zone and stalls, when you see candle closes right next to that trend line or resistance and then price drops, confirmed by a red candle right after, that's the condition to take a sell with a 2R target. My trading method can generate profits, but sometimes temporary losses happen. So don't doubt it too much or try to change it. You'll ruin what makes it effective. If one trade fails, I'll simply look for the next one because the market is full of opportunities. Next, a dragonfly pin bar-like candle appeared inside the pink accumulation zone, right near temporary support. That's also a buy signal. But I waited for a few more candles because price was still uncertain and the trade could collapse. When the engulfing pattern formed and no candle closed below the accumulation zone, that supported the buyers. I entered a buy with a 2-hour take profit. Scammers are impersonating me more and more lately. And trust me, they'll only get more sophisticated from here. So please be careful, stay sharp, and stay alert. We can also see that even though price broke out of the accumulation zone with over 10 candles, usually after a breakout, price continues dropping in the same direction. But in this case, price only tapped the trend line, so taking a sell would have been risky. The earlier sell I entered already hit stop loss. After breaking out, price usually retests. After 10 hours of trading, I was still short about $2,000. I decided to wait for one more trade and increase position size to finish the journey in one go. Price broke the lower trend line again. After retesting and forming an evening star candle pattern with a clear wick rejection, I believed this was a bearish signal. So I entered a sell, placed stop loss above the wick of the evening star candle, and targeted 2R. I'm still giving you the highest BACCOM tier from Exness, the Diamond Partner program of a top global broker. If you lose $10 a day to trading fees, that's around $300 a month. But if you register BACCOM under me, your fees drop to about $180. Meaning I rebate $120 back to you. So if you trade 10 times more, you save $1,200. Message me to register early. And with that, the second trading journey is completed. I'm glad I didn't blow the account, unlike what jealous competitors secretly hoped for. Here's an exercise for the companions group. Based on the stop-loss placements and the win rate you've seen me trade with, is it possible for me to blow the account? List at least 3 reasons why you believe I cannot blow the account. The more reasons, the better. Finally, let's review today's trading history. Everything is clear and transparent. Without a trading history, videos can be edited too easily, right? I am 10-Hour Trader, here to help you trade better.